Hello everyone, Ranjitha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with some interesting kids crafts. Recently, my daughter wanted to decorate her bulletin board with her favorite characters, either from cartoons or from books. So I thought, why not do them with empty tissue paper rolls? So here we are with some cute characters that we made out of tissue rolls. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Minnie Mouse out of an empty tissue paper roll. I hope you will like this video and you will definitely give it a try. So let's get started. I'm taking an empty tissue roll here and roughly measuring it and making a mark and cutting it into two halves. That is, with one roll I could make two characters because I didn't want my characters to be too tall, so I'm cutting the roll into half its length. Be very careful while using the knife. So here our tissue roll is ready. Now we're going to go ahead and cover this entire tissue roll in black. You could use black paper, black cardstock, or you could always take a piece of paper and color it in black. Alternatively, if you do not want to cover it, you could also paint your tissue paper roll in black, but I wanted a cleaner and quicker finish, so I'm covering the entire tissue roll with black. I'm using hot glue gun to adhere my black paper onto the tissue roll. You could also use any craft glue. I'm making sure that the black paper is stuck well. Once I'm done with this, I'm going ahead and cutting a piece of red paper and I'm just wrapping the lower half of the tissue. So this would look like a typical Minnie Mouse combination, black and red. Alternatively, you could also use pink also, but I thought the black and red would give a very beautiful look. These tissue roll crafts are very easy and quick to make, and they're perfect to make such cute characters for your little ones. Now I'm taking a piece of brown paper. This was a scrap piece of paper that was left out after I covered my daughter's books. So here I'm roughly drawing the face of Mickey Mouse here, or Minnie Mouse rather. You can always alternate it according to your wish. You could make a Mickey or Minnie. All you need to do is just add a bow at the end to turn it into a Minnie. So here you can see I'm now just cutting out the face. I'm not cutting out the ears part because the ears would be in black. So I'm just cutting the face part with brown paper here. If you do not have brown paper, you can use white paper and shade it into the color you want, either with crayons or any other coloring medium. If you are a kid and crafting along with me, make sure that you take adults' help while using a scissors or knife. So here you can see I'm done cutting the face of Minnie Mouse. Now I'm taking a piece of black paper here and I'm pasting this face onto that. Now I will again redraw the ears here. So I thought this would be an easy way. Alternatively, if you do not want to make such a hassle, you can just take a plain white piece of paper and draw your Minnie or Mickey onto it and then just color the ears with black and the face in the color you want. That would be an easier process, but here I just wanted to make it look much more finished and I didn't want to take the pain of sitting and coloring everything. So I'm just taking scrap pieces of colored cardstock here in black and skin color, and I'm cutting the face and the Mickey ears out of it. Like I told you, these characters that we make out of tissue rolls are very easy and quick to make. It hardly took me 10 to 15 minutes to make each character. Also, the supplies are very easily available too. Like I told you, I'm having a bunch of characters that I've made out of tissue rolls. Make sure that you check out the other videos too. And if you're crafting along with me and if you make any such pretty cute characters, do share it with me on my social media. I would love to see what you have made. So here, now that our face is ready, I'm taking a black marker and I'm just drawing the eyes, nose and mouth of the Mickey or Minnie, whichever character you decide to make. So until the last part, you can, it is the same for either Mickey or Minnie. So here I'm taking a black marker and I'm just coloring the eyes. I'm not going too particular on the details of the character, because these are meant to be kids crafts and they should be quick and easy to make, so I'm not adding too much of detailing onto it. In case if you have any pencil lines, this is the point when you need to trace it out, because we've made our outlines with pencils, and if you could not cut it out, make sure that you erase it. So here I'm using hot glue and sticking the face of Mickey here. You can also use any craft glue, but if you're using hot glue, make sure that you take care of your fingers. So here I'm taking a white gel pen and I'm just making small dots or circles here to look like Minnie's dress. Alternatively, like I told you, at this point of time, if you want to make a Mickey, then you just need to add 2 buttons there, the typical Mickey Mouse dress. So since I'm doing a Minnie here, I'm adding a kind of polka dot pattern all over the base. Now since I decided to make Minnie Mouse, I'm also adding a bow. For the bow, I've taken a scrap piece of red paper and I've traced out a bow on it. Now I'm also adding white dots on my bow. If you're doing a Mickey, you can entirely skip this step. Now I'm taking this bow and I'm again sticking it in the middle of the ears. At this point I was confused where to add it, so then my daughter was very sure of it that Minnie will always have her bow in the middle. So here I'm sticking the bow in the middle. That's it. Our cute little Minnie is ready. We've made her out of just scrap pieces of paper and an old tissue roll. So here you can see the close-up images of Minnie Mouse. I hope you like this video and you will also definitely give it a try with your kids. Make sure that you check out the videos of all the other characters as well. I will leave the links in the description below. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will be back with another interesting video. Until then, bye.